In the past, people have used this box and items in this box more than I can count. People have asked me, what do I carry on the trail? Why do I carry it on the trail? Why do I carry so much? It's so inconvenient to carry this giant box. It's really not giant. It's 3 foot long and about 1.5 feet wide and about a foot or so deep. Cheap $20 box from Tractor Supply. And I may find some items that I've taken out or that need to go back in. So you'll get to see this with me. You can see it's seen better days. You got wood in here to brace it, ratchet straps to hold it together, you know, but you do what works. Don't need to explain why that's handy. And you may laugh. Necessary papers, TP. Matter of fact, right now, I will sell this roll for $100 and it's almost full. It's been in this plastic bag. It's gently used. So there you go. Got to carry TP in the woods. Everybody needs one of these. The problem with this versus that, if this breaks, this doesn't kill somebody. That will. And I have seen them break or come off of a wire rope or a synthetic rope. This, not that. This. All right, so now I've laid out all the tools that I keep in the cab of my buggy. Not in the box, but I do have on the buggy somewhere. I hope that this has helped you, maybe spark some ideas of things that you want to carry. And as always, if you see me on the trail, and you ever need anything that I have, you're more than welcome to it. Of course, with my permission, but I love to help people on the trail. That's one of the fun parts to me. That's how I ride, and that's how the guys I ride with, that's what we do. So I know some of you are wondering how in the world I got it all in there. It fits. May not be the most efficient or quick access, but it works. It's back together. Now we're ready to rock and roll. So thanks for watching. Have a blessed one.